Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to ensure payroll tax compliance with Gusto. Payroll taxes are one of those things that you have to get right. No shortcuts allowed. Thankfully, Gusto is designed to help you stay compliant without losing sleep or, getting fined. Now let's walk through how Gusto can help you keep everything above board. First step, set up federal, state, and local tax info correctly. So start by double checking your tax setup. All you gotta do is head to settings and taxes. Now there you can confirm your EIN, your business address, your jurisdictions are accurate. And if you operate in multiple states, you want to make sure that each one is registered properly with the correct IDs. Now, Gusto is going to use this information to determine what taxes you're responsible for. Step 2, let Gusto automate tax calculations. Now, every time you run payroll, Gusto automatically calculates employer and employee taxes. It also withholds the right amounts as well as prepare tax forms like the 941s, the 940s, the W2s, and the 1099s. It also accounts for things like benefits, bonuses, reimbursements, and pre-tax deductions. So you don't have to do the math, just make sure employee information is accurate and up to date. Step 3, approve filings and payments. Now most tax filings and payments are automated by default, but if you've customized your account to review before submitting, you'll get reminders. Gusto is going to alert you when filings are ready for approvals. You can view upcoming deadlines under tax and compliance and then look for filings. Now you can approve or edit before they are sent to the IRS and states. Step 4, keep employee records updated. So tax compliance depends on having correct data. So you want to make sure that you regularly review employee classifications as well as home or work locations and benefits elections and withholdings. Even small changes can impact payroll tax responsibilities, so you want to make sure that you keep those updated. Step 5, track and download tax filings. Now, if you need proof of compliance, all you got to do is go to tax and compliance, and under filings, there you can download any past filings, payment confirmations, or form copies. Now, these can be shared with your accountant, auditors, or even just for your peace of mind. Payroll taxes can get messy fast, but Gusto is built to keep things clean and compliant. Stay current, stay accurate, and let the platform do the heavy lifting. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.